Hey there, welcome. In this video, we will walk you through creating an integration on Shopify to be able to send messages using your CommPeak SMS account. You will learn how to create a new SMS sending workflow and manage your existing workflows. In your Shopify account, you can create workflows that let you send a message each time a certain event takes place. For example, your customer can receive a notification about their paid order, or the store owner can get an update about a product variant that went out of stock. Let's build a workflow that will notify the customer in an SMS when they create a new order in your store. Go to Apps in your account. If this is the first workflow you are creating, you need to install Flow in the Shopify App Store. Otherwise, you will see Flow under Apps. Now click Create Workflow. First, name your workflow. Then you need to select a trigger, or the event that will start the workflow. For our case, we will choose Order Created among the suggested triggers. Click the plus. Optionally, you can define a condition for the trigger to work. Then add an action that should be taken after the trigger has started the workflow. For our workflow, we will select CommPeak in the list of apps, and then send an SMS. Fill in the From field with approved sender IDs from your TextPeak account. In the To field, specify the recipient's phone number. You can add a relevant variable for the number associated with the customer. And in the Message field, enter the text you want to send. Using variables, you can include placeholders in the text. Now click Turn on Workflow and confirm your action. After you exit the editor, you will see the new workflow listed as active. You can later turn it off at any time, edit your order, and perform other actions to it. To see the history of order runs within the latest 7 days, go to Recent Runs under Flows. That's it. Good luck!